can't be dirt water. Did something happen wrong with this one? No way.
Oh, I hate.
How come you hate it?
I like the ones where they're modern.
I'm waiting for the color. I like the color part. Because I like colors.
Ones that get monitored, not ones that aren't monitored.
What?
These ones aren't monitored. Like they aren't seen. Like you have like.
I kind of like that it closes off people behind you, where it's like they can't come in while it's being washed.
Like dirt water.
No, if anything, it's probably coming off the car.
It stopped.
Mm-hmm.
Why did it stop?
Hey, I thought another one was supposed to be coming on. Come on, color.
I was gonna say I thought.
Oh, don't tell me it's rinsing off. I thought I had the rainbow one. Okay, I'm gonna have to tell him. Tell the guy. I thought it was
No, I think it's. No, not the well part. No, don't come. No. God, partially hurts my ears.
Hurts your ears. That's not bad.
Next step, what?
Oh, there's the rainbow.
Oh, you saw it?
It's shining on the laser thing.
Oh, there it is. Yay!
Oh,
Rainbow!
What the heck?
That is pretty.
What the?
Aw, why does it gotta rinse it off so fast, though?
We hurry up, okay.
Oh man, too fast.
Still cold.
This is fun. Fun.
Yeah, I'm a scaredy cat about all these.
You're a scaredy cat. Oh, look at that water. Yeah, I think it is. Wow, that's pretty neat, but it's drying it with the water.
What?
That's pretty neat, huh?
So this is what you call the last one?
Yeah, boy, yeah.
What
Oh, you can see the rainbow.
Where?
Like look on the side.
Oh, you mean that thing up there? Oh, look at that. It's like rainbow on the window.
what?
Like the way I had the camera, it's like a. You see that? It's like rainbows on the window.
Oh!
You can't even see it.
No, like it's like the
I know,
way
I'm
the
on the
lighting's
window.
picking up.
And on the window you can't see it, but on the thing.
Dang it, I couldn't like spot it.
Jaden?
Huh?
Jaden.
Aw, man.
Jaden Johnson.
Who are you talking about?
This kid, really? He has his own Facebook. Wow.
That was fun.
That's crazy.